What we have for you today is absolutely special. Behind me is the all-new 100 Sunseeker yacht. This is her world debut at the Cannes Yachting Festival. The 100 yacht is equipped with twin 2000 horsepower MTU engines, and she was built under the 24-meter load line. After you open the garage, the overhead comes down and functions as a deck and creates a beach club. So this 100 yacht is specced with the Extend and award and winning new innovation from Sunseeker. So when the seating area is facing the ocean, you can also bring it upwards towards the salon. What I will go through is some of the specifications which we will have for the US spec boat, which will also have a aft cockpit station for easy maneuvering, which will be based over here. The 100 yacht features, it's not a full walk around. So if you're here, I'm here on the port side, and you have a stairs going up to the Flybridge. So that will create a very full beam master. And look at all the beautiful hand railing. So everything very solid. You have a glazing within the bulwark. So I'm going upstairs here on the port side, and you will see an absolutely beautiful Flybridge. So I'm here on the bow, and as well the US spec boat will have the 6 carbon fiber poles, which will have an awning for shade. It will also feature the electric sunbats, so you can lift it up and raise it to the level you want. You can see this beautiful flow from the bow all the way to the aft area of the Flybridge. It creates this immense square footage of space. The wheelhouse is behind here, and the boat has this fantastic low profile. So it is a Flybridge, but it has this really sporty and fast look. So I'm going towards here at the aft area of the wheelhouse, raised wheelhouse. The one in the US will have a metal gray color hardtop. This one has the black hardtop. But again, you can see the space over here. You got this beautiful large dining area. On the aft, you have the Sunseeker jacuzzi. It's got the infinity glazing over here. What's so nice is that the glazing is here as well on the aft area, so you have a real nice view towards the ocean. On the US spec boat, you will have another station here to drive the boat from the outside, and you will also have wing stations on the side. Sunseekers are very famous in their design to create a lot of space for entertainment and socializing with friends. But let me show you a beautiful area which is just exclusive for the owner. Their winches are hidden, and the owner has a complete private area where they can have breakfast, or just sit down with a cocktail and enjoy their evening. Right, so let's head into the salon, and again you have this massive beam of almost 23 feet. So on starboard side you got the 65-inch TV, and then on the US spec boat you will have a sliding door. On this particular 100 yachts it's fixed. Glazing goes all the way from the deck all the way upwards to the overhead. You have a very good view. I'm here in the lobby area on the main deck, and it's really very nice is that all the electrics from the wheelhouse are here. Easy access with a door. You got a lot of storage over here. And then here on starboard side, you have your day head. I'm entering the master stateroom and look at the beautiful natural light coming in. Here on the right side you have storage, and as well you have a working desk or for vanity. This whole wall here has storage for all your clothes, and here you have a walk-in closet. This particular yacht has the silver oak. The one for the USA will have smoked eucalyptus, which is darker, but it will have features of lighter colors, so it will be a good mix. And look at these beautiful windows, lots of lights coming in. And as I mentioned before, this is your exit or entrance towards your private area. I'm heading down below. It's a 5-stateroom yacht. So you got all this natural light coming down from the stairs, which are going up to the raised pilot house. I'm here on the starboard side aft guest stateroom. Again, very, very large. And the ensuite. Port side aft, another large guest stateroom. Overall, all the staterooms are very, very large. On both of the forward staterooms, the 2 single beds are electronically, you can slide them, and as well they added another Pullman bunk just in case you have kids and you want to sleep 3. Up in the raised pilot house, really good view forward. And this particular 100 yacht is specified with the Simrad package, but the US boat will have the Garmin package. Going down back to the main deck area, and here we have the galley. You got large commercial fridge and freezer, and nice little pantry area here, so the stewardess can make their cocktails, breakfast, prep area. Double hob here, oven. Notice all the beautiful detail here in the hinges. Absolutely stunning. So I'm heading down the crew area. Again, and then so comfortable here for the crew. Very well designed. They got a nice seating area. You got your stacked washer dryer, and then there is crew layout for 5. So on port and starboard 2 Pullman beds with their own shower and head. And here on port side you have the captain's cabin with its own ensuite. So to enter the engine room, you're here on starboard side. So I'm here in the engine room. Obviously it's a, I would say it's 8 feet high. Great space. You can work around the engines. The one in the US will have obviously tropical air and features 2 chillers with 2 times 72,000 BTUs, as well Separ fuel systems, fuel cleaning systems, 2 Kohler 40 kilowatt generators,